Hey, you look a little lost there. Need some help?
Oh yeah. Hi, I'm Rushdie. I just joined the Student in Change program. I'm trying to find the Global Citizenship class.
Oh, that's my class too. You are in the right place. I'm Raja Aiman. Welcome to Malaysia, bro.
Thank you, Raja Aiman. Yes, I've been here for a few days, and honestly, I'm loving the weather, the people, and the food. Smell amazing everywhere.
You will definitely love it here. Malaysia food is something you will never forget. So, where are you from, Rushdie?
I'm from an exchange program based in the Middle East. I've always want to explore how different culture connect.
Awesome. You know, that's exactly what this course is about. Learning to understand the world beyond before.
Yeah, back home, we always talk about peace and global cooperation, but it feel different experience in real life.
Oh, same here. I used to think global citizenship was just a topic in book, but it's actually about how we live, interact, and treat each other. Okay. Bagus kau.
Ada apa? Raja, can I ask you something?
Yes. you can.
What are you eating?
Oh.
This smell is so good.
Oh, this is nasi lemak, our national dish. You should try it.
Wow, maybe I need try it. But I heard about that. Spicy, yeah?
A little bit lah. But that's the best part. We usually eat it with our hand. It's our tradition.
Wow, our hand.
Yeah.
Not dirty, yeah? Oh, we need to wash hand.
Yes.
Oh, but that's interesting. In my culture, we always use cutlery. Example, spoon and fork and anything, even for rice.
Oh yeah. But here is a sign of connection and appreciation. Don't worry, I will teach you the proper way.
I will try it.
You should try it. Use your hand.
This is my hand.
Yes.
Oh, this feels harder than it look. I'm making a mess.
You're doing fine. The key is to eat gently and enjoy the flavor.
Oh, you know what?
Yes.
This is actually fun. I feel like I'm learning something more meaningful than just eating.
That's the point. Understanding another culture teach us respect. You don't have to change who you are. Just appreciate others' way.
I agree. I think respect and tolerance are the foundation of global citizenship.
Oh, exactly. When we learn from one another, we break barriers and build peace.
So, our lecturer want us to pick one global issue for the assignment. So, what do you think about this?
I had say environmental sustainability. Everyone talks about it, but not many act on it.
True, in my country, we face serious air pollution. Many people suffer from health problem because of it.
Oh, that's terrible. In Malaysia, it's plastic waste. Our river and beach are full of bottles and rubbish.
It's sad. It's not it. People forget that the earth belongs to all of us.
Exactly. And yet, we treat it like it is endless.
That's why the idea of global citizenship matter. It teaches us to think beyond and our border.
Yeah. To realize that one small action like recycling, saving energy, or using less plastic
Yes.
can create a ripple effect.
That's true. We could even make a campaign about this. Something like one word, one future.
That sounds great. We can highlight how people from different countries work together to protect the earth.
Yeah. Okay, Raja. So, the title of our campaign is the One Word, One Future.
Perfect. Let us divide it into three parts: environmental action, cultural respect, and global responsibility.
Great idea. For the environment part, we can share photo of recycling project or tree planting events around campus.
And for cultural respect, maybe we can record short interviews with students from different backgrounds talking about their tradition.
Yeah, I love that. It shows that every culture has wisdom to share about living sustainability.
Right. Like in Malaysia, we have Gotong Royong, a community cleaning activity that teach teamwork and care for the environment.
That's so inspiring. In my culture, we plant tree together to celebrate birth of a child. So it is symbolize growth and life.
See, we might come from different places, but our values are similar. Care, respect, and responsibility.
Exactly. That's what global citizenship is. Realizing that our diversity makes us stronger.
I think this project will remind people that the world is not divided by race or nationality. It's united by shared humanity.
Yeah. This presentation went better than my expectation. Everyone seemed touched by the message.
Yeah, and our lecturer said our campaign really capture the spirit of global citizenship.
You know, I have realized something important. More important, being a global citizen is not about traveling or studying abroad. It's about how we treat other and our planet.
True. It is about showing kindness, empathy, and respect, even to people who are different from us.
Nodding. And about taking small action that create a global impact, even if it is just sharing awareness.
Yeah, sometimes can start with a single person who chooses to care.
I guess that's what makes a citizen of the world. Not our passport, but our value.
Well said, my friend. One word, one family.
Yeah. United in value, culture, and humanity.